Leo XIV, our new Holy Father, incenses the altar in the Sistine Chapel during the first Holy Mass of his papacy, celebrated with the College of Cardinals that elected him to the chair of Peter. Thank you for being with us. I'm Catherine Hadro. Pope Leo XIV has begun his new role as the Bishop of Rome, pledging to align himself with ordinary people. EWTN Vatican correspondent Valentina De Donato reports on his first Mass as leader of 1.4 billion Catholics.
As the new Bishop of Rome, Pope Leo XIV celebrated his first Holy Mass together with the cardinals in the Sistine Chapel, the very place where he was elected just a day ago. Breaking with tradition, the Holy Father began his first Mass homily in English.
Through the ministry of Peter, you have called me to carry that cross and to be blessed with that mission. And I know I can rely on each and every one of you to walk with me as we continue as a church, as a community of friends of Jesus, as believers, to announce the good news, to announce the gospel.
He then switched to Italian, saying we are all called to bear witness to our faith in Christ, and he insisted that without faith, life lacks meaning.
La pace sia con tutti voi.
Peace be with you. That's such a powerful message that I think the world needs. And so, yeah, very, very hopeful.
I hope it means unity. I hope it means a preaching of the gospel of Jesus Christ.
I'm hoping for peace. I'm hoping that he can bring a unique quality, both his spiritual as well as his diplomatic skills to help us with peace.
Pope Leo XIV is a dual citizen of the United States and Peru, where he spent many years first as a missionary before becoming bishop, making him the first pope from each country.
First U.S. Pope, I think the good thing is the balance of him, because he's a U.S. American with a strong Latin American background. He was bishop in Peru. He knows the smell of the frog, and he knows to be a pastoral person, obviously, and he knows very well the world church.
And not only a pope, a U.S.
Chicago, U.S.
Are you from Chicago?
My mother is. I'm from Wisconsin, and I have many, many cousins in Chicago, and they're absolutely thrilled.
Me being Venezuelan with South American roots, obviously that's an extra joy. But again, I think my focus is more on what it means to have a new pope more than where the pope is from.
Feliz. Ahora feliz.
Happy, so happy. He spoke in Spanish, and I felt like he understood us.
The choice of his name, a nod to Pope Leo XIII, well known for his social doctrine in the Church, authoring the encyclical Rerum Novarum, which is considered the Catholic Church's first social encyclical.
I think it's a good, positive bridge to the not tradition, the history of the Church, the good history of the Church, of big popes with that name. So I think it's wonderful. We have a good start.
The first pope to be of both Americas is now upon us, a new dawn for the Catholic Church. In Rome, Valentina Di Donato for EWTN News Nightly.